Do you wear a mask all day? This ear pull release pose will be very beneficial for you. When you wear a mask for an extended period of time, the bands hooked around your ears will pull your ears forward, creating all kinds of pain and discomfort. But the problem is, it doesn't just affect your ears. It also affects your facial muscles because our facial muscles are all connected. Gravity also affects your ears. It pulls your ears down. Have you seen old people with vertical lines in front of their ears? That's what happened. It's gravity pulling their ears down, creating that vertical line. Today, I'm going to show you a ear pull release pose that's going to help you prevent the vertical line and release the pain and discomfort from wearing masks all day with your ears being pulled forward. Come, join me. Sit tall. Relax your shoulders and neck. Grab the top of your ears with your thumbs and index fingers. Pull your ears up at 45-degree angle and drop your jaw. Breathe in, hold your breath for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, grab the middle of your ears with your thumbs and index finger. Breathe in and drop your jaw. Pull your ears back and hold your breath for 5 seconds. Don't forget to relax your shoulders. Now, grab the bottom of your ears with your thumbs and index fingers. Drop your jaw. Pull down and back at 45-degree angle. Breathe in. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. Relax your shoulders. Breathe out. Come out of your pose. And now relax. Here are a few tips. When you pull your ear cartilage up at 45-degree angle, you should see less nasolabial fold lines. By pulling the ear cartilage up at 45-degree angle, you're also stimulating the lymphatic knots without touching them. Make sure you drop your jaw and hold your breath while doing this pose. This is a wonderful pose to do because it releases tension from your whole face. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the ear pull release.